Ladies and gentlemen, I am here before you today to let you know that I am a changed man. You see, a few weeks ago, I made a video talking about the GOAT app in a lot of hateful ways. The reason being is because I bought a sneaker and they literally finessed me and they canceled my order. Now, to be honest, it wasn't the first time, okay? I did this several times where I bought sneakers from GOAT app and they always cancel my order. And I just thought, why aren't they penalizing the people who sold me the shoe? After reading the comments of that video, I seen that a lot of you guys did not have the same experience as me. On top of that, I will say a lot of you guys did have the same experience as me, which challenged me to believe that maybe this theory is inaccurate. Or maybe, I should try this one more time to see, is my theory is that regular, or was it just something that just only happened to me? To my surprise, I bought another Grail from the GOAT app and they did not disappoint. Not only did they not disappoint, but I got the sneaker for a great deal and it's in the studio today. This is the shoe. All right, I ain't gonna lie, man. I'm kind of excited because I wanted this shoe for a while, but as y'all can see in the intro, I know it was a little over the top, but I wanted to make my point clear. After I made that video, a lot of y'all was like, yo, Snipe, it really ain't that bad, bro. I just think you had a bad situation. And even though I showed, wow, that came up pretty easy. Even though I told y'all that it wasn't my first experience having that problem, I still wanted to double back and just see when my luck changed. So I bought another sneaker. And it is a big one. Bow! If you know this box, then you probably already know what's inside. And if you pay attention to the background, I got the white pair up there. So that only means it can be one thing. I give you the Air Jordan 5 Off-White. Woo! Look at this sneaker, man. All black. You see the material, you see the design. I was in Chicago All-Star Weekend 2019 when these came out, freezing my butt off. If anybody else was out there Chicago All-Star Weekend, I've never been more cold in my entire life. This shoe was very hard to get out there. I seen my boy Unbreakable Kicks pay resale. He paid $800 for the shoe at the time. And then I think 2019 only had 30,000, maybe 40,000 followers max. And I was like, bro, did you pay $800 for shoes? At that point in time, I'm like, bro, paying $800 for shoes is insane. Who would pay that? Fast forward 3 years later, and I'm over here paying $1,300. By the way, that's not the price I paid for these. We're gonna get into that later, but let me just big up the GOAT app real quick. You know what I'm saying? Let me big them up. So as I go in the box, man, we get the, the GOAT sticker that comes with all the sneakers that you buy if you bought it from the GOAT app. It also came with this certification, or more like a, I don't know what you call it, like a verification card. It got everything punctured out from the color, shape, material, basically just showing you the authentication of the shoe, and it says GOAT verified right there at the top. So shout out to the GOAT app because they didn't let me down with this, bro. I was surprised. I thought my order was gonna get canceled because just like a lot of other sneakers, I paid for them, and over time, I got no response. When I don't get a response from the GOAT app within a week, I automatically suffer from PTSD, and I believe they're gonna cancel my order. Why would you ask that? Watch the last video. It'll tell you everything. Now, when it comes to the Off-White sneakers, we all know RP Virgil, he's no longer with us, but the pieces that he left behind will always be remembered and they will always be highly sought after. So the price for this sneaker right now, matter of fact, I got an idea in mind. Yo, Big Holla. Yo. Holla is over here real quick. We got to go to an AMP shoot in a little bit, and I told him I was going to do this video first. I'm going to ask him a question. You all right? You all right? What you think about my newest pickup, bro? You know what I'm saying?
They're good. I like these. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
These are Off-White.
Yeah.
You got the doohickey. These are 5s, right?
Yeah.
The same as the sales.
Yep. The sales right there. Sales right. Look, hey, hold on.
It's sneaker knowledge in the building. You know
Okay. How much would you pay for a shoe like this? You know what I'm saying?
I'm only paying $210 max for any shoe.
All right. How much you think I pay for these?
I'm gonna have to go. You know what I'm saying? A smooth $1,250. Steve, do we see $1,250 on the board, Steve?
What's crazy is these are currently on StockX right now for $1,300.
Come on now, you know what I'm saying?
That's a lucky guess, bro. Ain't no way. Ain't no way.
Holla at Kicks is coming soon. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, so on StockX right now, these go for $1,300, but due to GOAT and them allowing me to offer people, I'm telling y'all, one of the benefits that GOAT has that StockX doesn't is the fact that you can buy worn sneakers, number one. I'm not a big fan of buying worn sneakers if they beat up, but if they only worn once or twice, think about it, guys. I'm gonna rock these ASAP. So the fact that you can buy a sneaker worn, if they worn one time or two times and it takes off like $300, $400, I say it's worth it. Just depending on, you know what I'm saying, how you look at it. Also, another thing is on StockX, I believe that it's very harder for StockX sellers to accept offers because they have an entire stock line and they have references of what sneaker was sold and how much it was sold for. So for example, if I want to offer a StockX guy $500 for a $700 shoe, he's going to go to the history of the sneaker and see that at 5 o'clock today, they were sold for way higher than what I offered, so he's not going to accept that. GOAT does not have that to their advantage, so it's an advantage on our end. So when we offer these guys, they more likely is going to take it. The seller wanted like $1,100 for these. I offer him $900 and he took it ASAP. Now this could have been lucky. He could have been down on his luck, might needed some rent. I don't really know what the problem was, but guys, I got an off-white Air Jordan 5 for $900. After tax, after shipping, and all the fees that GOAT made me pay, it ended up being roughly like $998. Don't ask me how the 98 happened. So basically I paid $1,000 for them. Still a lot cheaper than what I was gonna pay in the beginning. By the way, guys, I am selling a lot of sneakers on my website. That is how I was able to buy this pair and previous pairs I probably reviewed on the channel. If any of you guys are into Nike Dunks, Air Jordans, or even Yeezys, they're all on the website down below. Snipes Closet, and every last price on that website is cheaper than StockX and GOAT. I know because I made the prices after I compared them. But selling those sneakers allowed me to pick up one of my grails, man. I'm super excited to have this sneaker nonetheless for amazing steal. I do have the off-white 5s up here, right? The sale pair. And for a long time, I thought that the sale pair was better than the black pair. But now I can honestly look over both of these sneakers. I can look at them in the eyes and I can say, maybe I was tripping. I got the sale pair from the Nike Sneakers app. I got exclusive access. Probably one of the only times I had access other than the time I was selected for one of the mystery off-white dunks. So I think I had a little bit more emotional attachment to the sale pair. I really do like them, but I would give these the edge. I would say that the black pair is better by a little bit. I want you guys to comment down below and tell me which pair you like the most. Now for fun, let's ask Big Holla. Hey yo, Big Holla, let me ask you a question real quick, bro. I don't know what he's about to say. I just know it's about to be funny. All right, man, so I'm asking the audience which sneaker do they think is better between the black pair and the sale pair. So it's only right I ask you.
I'm gonna go with this one because it's black. You
okay,
know what I'm saying?
Okay.
I don't wear white stuff because I be getting it dirty.
Okay.
So, you know what I'm saying? I feel like this is for more like people who be dressing. You know what I'm saying? And
like me.
I ain't got ranch in my refrigerator.
No, you gotta stop, bro. You gotta stop. Nah. Yeah, no. If we are rating both of these shoes, what do you give this pair and what do you give this pair?
I give this like a 7.
Okay.
I give this like a 6.8, 6.9.
A 7 and 6.9.
What'd you give this one?
I give this a 9.
What'd you give this one?
I give it an 8. So I'm with you. I think this is better.
You like 5s though.
Yeah, I like 5s. I like 5. A lot of people don't like 5s for whatever reason. I'm getting more into like baggy wear. He's always clowning me because I be wearing baggy stuff.
The parachute, hey, insert pick right here, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, he be on me because I like baggy fits, man. But I'm telling y'all, skinny jeans was hot, all right? Now it's 2022. Baggy is kind of back in style. And I wear baggy stuff. Sometimes I still wear like the more fitted stuff, but when I wear baggy jeans, I need bulkier sneakers. And the Air Jordan 5 is like the best premium bulky shoe, especially on the top half, to match perfectly when it comes to bulky picks. They come with like, what, 2 spare laces, I think? They come with the white pair, and they come with the red pair. And I'm about to lace swap these right now, actually, like, cause I'm probably gonna wear these today. I ain't gonna hold you down. So, I mean, I was sold, like, right off the bat. I'm gonna lace swap these to white. I'm gonna rock these out, man, and I'm gonna just have a good time. Now, I do wanna shout out to GOAT because even though I had bad previous experiences, I can't lie, this one was pretty pleasant. I didn't have no problems. I had no trouble getting in and out, and I finally got my sneaker on time. So it is what it is. I want you guys to comment down below. Let me know what you think about my newest pickup. And also, please tell me, what is your experience on the GOAT app? Is it good, bad? Is it anywhere similar to mine? If you want to watch my previous video where I kind of had some problems with the app, you can check that out as well. I'll link it down below. But until next time, it is your boy, Sniper Jones. No, I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but really putting in that work, though. Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.